Have you ever wondered when you are selling on Walmart.com, have you ever wondered what the heck or how the heck can I find out what to sell? That's the problem with Walmart.com. You can't look for, there's no ranking system like Amazon. There's nothing like eBay where you can look up comps. So how do you find stuff to sell? If you don't know who I am, I'm a full-time reseller, six-figure seller. I sell on Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Right now, I'm probably probably 90% eBay. What's up, everybody? It's Shane the Rising Grand Picker, and I'm coming back at you again today with another video. I have been taking some eBay photos. This is all my listed eBay inventory. All right here. All in there. So I currently got 2,700, a little over 2,700 items listed on eBay. And today we are going to talk about Walmart.com and how to find products, which is a pretty normal question. Most people ask that question every time because it is not so clear and cut like eBay or Amazon. All right, so look at this. This is a really great example. So I'm actually selling this item on eBay, okay? This is the item right here, and I'm selling it on eBay. I scan this, and on the Walmart.com tab up top, it says online price. This is out of stock, and the last price it was in stock at was $17.77 for a 1,000 pack. So I actually listed this up on eBay. I think I'm selling them for $7 or $8 a pop. So if I wanted to send this into Walmart.com, I could literally mark it up to maybe $10.99 for 2 packs, for 2 packets, and build the listing. It's made by Victor. Build the listing and send it in, and that would be something that potentially could work. So this is stuff I have listed on eBay currently, and I'm just going to scan a few more items and give you an idea. So here's another one. Rescue Y. It's an attractant kit. I think it sells for like $6 on eBay. I've sold a few already, and you could send it in and sell for $4.77. Now that's the online price. Now, would that be enough to negate the fees of Walmart.com? No, it's probably more than likely a little bit too low of a price. But if you look over here, you can sell 2 for $9.54. And that is actually the variation listing on Walmart. So you could send them in for $9.54 then. So there's other things. Let's see if this, these are called tick picks. You pick ticks out of your skin with them. And let's go ahead and scan this up. This online price, $11.46 for a 2-pack. Now, why I knew this item was going to be a little higher was because I listed these up on eBay for probably, I think it was like $10 or $11. And you know, if the price is that high on eBay, that they're probably going to sell good. And this is a 2-pack. And so $11.46 for this tiny little item. And it's out of stock. So if it's out of stock on Walmart, I would mark it up to maybe $12.99 and send it in. That's how you research what to sell. What do you do when you literally cannot find stuff on Walmart.com to sell? You maybe got into Walmart.com, you are able to sell there, but you can't find anything to sell. Well, this is going to help you. Now, this is Walmart.com, the app. It's not the selling app, it's the buying app. And this is what I want to tell you. This is very important. You have to use your head when you look at this data, because you're going to have to look at each individual item and kind of figure out what's going on. And I'm going to explain this to you. So I'm going to go ahead and scan something that maybe I found and I want to sell on Walmart.com. So I go ahead and I scan it, and it comes up and it says in stores only. And then right here, it's $5.72, bestseller, 2-day delivery. $5.72, bestseller, 2-day delivery. So that is a Walmart.com listing. Okay. That is a Walmart.com listing. And as you can see, it is shipped in 2 days, and you basically you can get it by Thursday, or you can pick it up at your local Walmart store. That's what I was telling you. It's an online item, which means they're already selling it online. It's their best seller for $5.72. This is in stores only. So I'm guessing this could be a third party seller. And sometimes the Walmart app is weird. It changes a lot. And what you got to understand is you got to make sure if it's able to be sold online or if it is sold online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to add this to my cart, and then I'm going to try to check out and see what's going on. I'm not logged in, so that's why it's saying that. So I'm guessing this is online, but what I'm looking for, see, this one, I knew this item was actually sold at Walmart in stores. And what I did is I wanted to show you this. This is what you're going to have to look for. You're going to have to look for items that Walmart is selling in store, but not online. Or maybe it's not on Walmart.com at all. And so I scanned this. I knew it was in stores only. We'll find something else to scan here in a little bit. But I'm also looking to see if they sell it online. Because if they don't sell it online, you could probably buy it and send it into Walmart.com, just like Amazon FBA, and sell it online, probably for better money. Virtually on Walmart.com, all I'm looking to do is find a product they don't sell online. Now, just because they sell it in store doesn't mean it's going to sell online, but if you know it's not being sold online currently, then even if it shows up, there's a lot of things that show up online they don't even sell in store, because maybe the listing had already been built on Walmart.com and no one's selling it. So that's why you got to scan it on the buying app, because it will tell you, it'll show you it's out of stock. Okay, so you would normally scan stuff in the store with the app, or you would order online with this app. But if you scan it and it says out of stock, you know it's not being sold. So then you start thinking, well, wait a minute. That means, since it's not being sold online, that I can send it in and make more money. And sometimes they're not selling it in the store either. So you got to really understand, you're looking for one or the other, or both, that maybe it's not being sold online or in the store as well, because no one's selling it. And there's items out there like that. You can also build your listing. It just has to be approved by Walmart before your item is launched.